Imagine this, a plate of perfectly boiled eggs, their yolks a vibrant sunny yellow. Now picture those same eggs transformed into a culinary delight, their insides replaced with a rich, creamy filling made from the same yolks, but combined with the tangy zest of kimchi, the smoky crunch of bacon bits and the silky texture of mayonnaise. This isn't just any deviled egg recipe, it's a keto bacon and kimchi deviled egg, a low-carb, high-flavored delight that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 hard-boiled eggs, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of finely chopped kimchi, a tablespoon of bacon bits, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of chopped spring onions, and a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Start by peeling the eggs and cutting them in half. Carefully separate the yolks from the whites and set the whites aside for now. They'll come back into play later. In a bowl, combine the egg yolks, mayonnaise, kimchi, bacon bits, soy sauce, and a portion of the chopped spring onions. Mix these ingredients until they're well combined, creating a rich, creamy, and flavorful filling for your deviled eggs. Next, spoon this enticing mixture into the egg white halves. Each one becomes a tiny vessel, cradling a bite of intense flavor. To finish off these culinary masterpieces, garnish each one with the remaining spring onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. The spring onions add a fresh bite, while the sesame seeds contribute a subtle, nutty flavor and a delightful crunch. So to summarize, this keto bacon and kimchi deviled egg recipe involves hard-boiling 3 eggs, creating a filling from the yolks, mayonnaise, kimchi, bacon bits, soy sauce, and spring onions, and then spooning that filling into the egg white halves. The final touch is a garnish of spring onions and toasted sesame seeds. In terms of nutritional information, each serving of this dish packs a punch with 339 kilocalories. It also contains 20 grams of protein, which makes up 25% of the dish, along with 26 grams of fat, comprising 70% of the dish. Finally, it contains 4 grams of carbohydrates, making up 5% of the dish, and 1 gram of fiber. Enjoy this delicious, keto-friendly twist on a classic dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. It's not just an egg, it's a keto bacon and kimchi deviled egg.